In this short video, I'm going to walk you guys through how to upload your SD card that you get from fishingmapcards.com up to your Helix fish finder. There's a couple different steps to upload the SD card up to our Humminbird Helix fish finder. First thing we're going to do is turn on the fish finder, go through the startup. We're going to open up our SD card slot, plug it in. We're going to hit yes when we're prompted upload nav data, and then we're going to confirm that the waypoints and tracks were uploaded to our unit correctly. First thing we're going to do is turn the unit on. I'm going to go through startup, so I'm going to go ahead and hit exit. I'm going to open up the SD card slot right now. My map card is already in here. You can leave it in or you can take it out. This Humminbird Helix comes with 2 SD card slots, so I'm going to use the extra one that I have. Now I'm going to insert the SD card into the Humminbird Helix. If you get an SD card from fishingmapcards.com, it's already going to have the files downloaded onto it. If you do an online download, you're going to have to put the files on your own SD card. When I insert this, I want to make sure that the card is unlocked. There's a slider at the top of this. I want to make sure it's in the unlocked position. That means it's up. I want to make sure that the micro SD card is inserted fully inside the SD card adapter. This Humminbird Helix fish finder takes full-size SD cards instead of a micro SD. If your Humminbird Helix takes micro SD cards, you're just going to remove the micro SD from the SD card adapter. Now I'm going to insert it into my Humminbird Helix into the free slot that I have. On the screen, we're now going to get an upload nav data from SD card prompt. We're going to go ahead and select yes by hitting the right button. It's going to say it's going to load, and here we can see at the top of the screen we've loaded 1 track and 375 waypoints. Now we're good to go fishing. One thing that I like to do is just make sure that I uploaded the waypoints correctly, and I always like taking a look at them. There's 2 different ways to do this. One way is to go to our chart. We're going to load up where we're at. I uploaded my Lake Conroe Fishing Hotspot card to this Humminbird Helix. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. I'm going to scroll around, and here you can see I've got all the waypoints already up on the unit. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure that that trail I uploaded is there as well. I can go ahead, scroll over to it, and I can see that the green trail is there. The second way is by going to our Waypoints, Routes, and Tracks menu. To get there, we're going to hit menu once, menu again. We're going to scroll at the top of our unit over to the navigation tab. We're going to scroll down to Waypoints, Routes, and Tracks. We're going to hit the right button and go to it. And here you can see the list of all the new waypoints that I just uploaded with their corresponding names and icons. If I want to change the name of any waypoint or change the icon or change the color of the trail, this is where I'm going to do it, in this Waypoints, Routes, and Tracks menu. To do this, you can scroll down to the waypoint, hit the right button here where you can see edit. This is where we can edit the name, edit the icon, show if it's visible or not. I'm going to go ahead and hit exit. I'm not going to change anything. Now I want to change the color of my track. Maybe your map color with your shadings is going to be a little bit different than mine. Green stands out really well on mine, but maybe on your map, red's going to show up a little bit easier. The way I'm going to get to my trail is I'm going to go to the top, and I'm going to hit sort by and change it to distance. That's going to put my track at the top of my screen. This track, for instance, is Lake Conroe 1375. To change the color of it, we're going to go down to it, select it, hit edit, and then here we're able to change the line weight, and we're also able to change the color of the trail. We're able to just scroll through, and maybe red is going to be the color that shows up the best on your fish finder. So we're going to go ahead and select red, and then go down and hit save. We can see on our little preview that we just changed the color of that trail. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you guys for your purchase at fishingmapcards.com. Humminbird Helix uploading is super easy. At this point, we can remove the SD card and we're ready to go fishing. The waypoints we just uploaded will upload to your already established waypoint collection. Won't delete anything. The next time you turn the fish finder on, the waypoints are going to be there. I'm going to say thanks for watching and thank you for your time.